What?
What's tornado?
What is a tornado?
Yes.
Do you want me to define it for you? Because I don't think you'll understand. It's wind that spins.
Yes, it's other TVs.
What color tornado do you want?
Brown.
A brown tornado.
Cause it's in hallway.
So you can go in the hallway?
It's big.
A big tornado? A
Yes.
big brown tornado?
Yes. Cause I see it somewhere.
You see it somewhere?
Cause I have to find it.
Hey, you're going to find the tornado?
To follow it.
You're going to follow it.
Yeah, I have to follow it.
You gonna chase tornadoes?
Cause tornadoes
Yeah.
rock.
They rock.
No.
I think they rock.
Yes.
Hey, where do you go if a tornado comes?
The brown one.
Okay, but where do you go? Where do you hide?
The pathway.
In the pathway. Are you going to deploy pods then?
Yes.
Are you going to be like Tim Samaras and deploy pods?
Yeah, the teacher. Was teacher.
Yeah?
Tornadoes.
Tornadoes.
I have to find it.
You have to find it.
Cause I'm going pathway.
You have to go in the pathway?
Yes.
Oh.
Cause she.
Very smart about all this stuff. You been
Hey,
coaching him?
can you say hi?
Hi, Mima.
No, say hi to the camera.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, Clayton.
What's your name?
Nolan.
What's your
Nolan. Gussie.
And are you going to be a storm chaser when you grow up?
Yes.
Say, I'm Nolan the storm chaser.
I saw Safe Lister.
Say, I'm a storm chaser.
I saw a taster.
There you go.